So I'm going to make this video to simplify quantum physics for you as much as I possibly can. It's to look at physics and quantum physics specifically on the macro scale of life. So in science, everything must reflect, meaning that to explain reincarnation with quantum physics, quantum mechanics, in the simple mathematic terms, is to identify myself as one. I was born. My energy, even if I go into a black hole, would still exist. It's the I-E-A-Key theory, I call it. We're a one here, and as we live, we consume energy becoming a negative one, as stars do, until stars die, like we do. And we, if we fall into a black hole, our energy is still there. If 100% of me falls into a black hole, 100% of me exists now over there. I existed here, and I'm a one. That event horizon is zeroing out. To cross it, I'm zeroing here. I'm no longer a key. I'm crossing over to be IE. And I use the Spanish term, which is key here and IE there, to explain this because it's the simplest way to put quantum mathematics and reincarnation science and explain the whole universe in one given set of numbers, which is 1, 0, and -1. Now, all I have to do to really comprehend it, even on this massive galactic scale of the cosmos, is to understand the Big Bang was once a key. It was here. Then everything we can observe, all of space and time in the universe, up to the veil of everything we can witness, so to speak, is a key. But it was once a key, i.e., it was once a key, and it was once existing as a one, a key. But to the present time we exist in, before the Big Bang being a zero, that one exists i.e. So we're simply understanding the entire quantum realm, so to speak, in just 3 numbers. And it even mathematically checks out, even down to my living sense, even in death as stars die. So for a non-morbid way of looking at nature, which is space itself, it's just simply understanding. Everything was once there, but to there it was here. And when it finally collapsed in on itself, it flipped through zero. Zero being everything and nothing at the same time. And that's simply to put the number, a whole number 0, to work. And so I urge you to understand the complexity of everything when they use all those numbers. It's so simple. Once everything was there, it stopped existing like an event horizon because 0 is nothing, but it contained everything. And that's why it's a whole number. And then, after the flip, the Big Bang, that one now exists here, but it's burning out, meaning it's a -1. So a 1 and a -1, a 0 and a -1 and a 1. And it's now, to see the numbers, it's IE, because it was once there on the other side of the Big Bang, a black hole itself. It was over there. And now we're existing over here. So for everything you witness in the night sky, stars are ones, black holes are -1s, and eventually it must become 0 again. It must. Math is a logical equation. It's logic itself. So for it was once burning out IE, and now it's burning out a key. That's 2 -1s, which you would think would make a -2, but when it crosses 0, it's the understanding that what is on one side of a black hole is not what is inside of the black hole. it's crossing zero, the event horizon itself. And I'm hoping that someone wants to take me on a debate on this because I am passionate about explaining the simplicity of what I see.